The internet thrives on content. Blogs, social media, websites, they all need a constant stream of text, images, and videos. But this insatiable appetite for content often leads marketers down a slippery slope. Copyright infringement is rampant online, with many businesses unknowingly using copyrighted material without permission. The consequences can be severe, from hefty fines to legal battles. Ethical considerations further complicate the matter. Even when content is technically legal to use, ethical questions can arise. Is it right to use someone's work without their knowledge or compensation? How do we ensure fair attribution and avoid plagiarism? These are not just legal questions, they are ethical dilemmas that every marketer must grapple with. The good news is that there's a solution: Creative Commons. This licensing system offers a vast library of content free to use, share, and adapt, all within the bounds of law and ethics. Imagine a world where creators can share their work freely, allowing others to build upon their ideas without legal hurdles. This is the vision behind Creative Commons, a non-profit organization that provides free licenses for creators to grant legal permissions to use their work. These licenses act as a bridge between creators and users, fostering a culture of sharing and collaboration. Instead of the traditional all rights reserved approach of copyright, Creative Commons promotes a some rights reserved model, giving creators the flexibility to choose how their work can be used. Creative Commons offers a spectrum of licenses, each with specific conditions. The most permissive is the CC by license, which allows for any use, even commercial, as long as the original creator is attributed. Other licenses include allows for adaptation and commercial use, but any derivative work must be released under the same license. Permits sharing but prohibits any modifications to the original work. Allows for use and adaptation but restricts commercial exploitation. Combines non-commercial use with the share-alike condition. The most restrictive license, allowing only for sharing the original work without modification or commercial use. Understanding these licenses is crucial for using Creative Commons content responsibly. Enter artificial intelligence, a game changer in the content marketing landscape. AI tools, with their ability to analyze, generate, and repurpose content, open up exciting possibilities for leveraging Creative Commons material. Imagine transforming a simple blog post under a CC BY license into a captivating video, an engaging infographic, or even a series of social media posts, all within minutes thanks to AI. This synergy between AI and Creative Commons is revolutionizing how marketers create and distribute content, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality, engaging material while respecting copyright laws. Section 5, AI-powered transformations, repurposing Creative Commons content. The real magic happens when AI is used to breathe new life into Creative Commons content. AI-powered tools can translate text into different languages, expanding the reach of content to a global audience, convert blog posts into videos, making the information more accessible and engaging, generate social media posts from longer articles, ensuring consistent messaging across platforms, create infographics and other visuals, enhancing the appeal and comprehension of data, compose music and sound effects, adding another layer of engagement to videos and presentations. These are just a few examples of how AI can transform Creative Commons content, making it more versatile and impactful for marketing purposes. Section 6, ethical considerations, navigating the intersection of AI and open content. While the potential of AI and Creative Commons is vast, it's crucial to navigate this landscape ethically. Using AI to generate content from Creative Commons material raises questions about attribution. How do we properly credit the original creator when AI is involved in the content creation process? Misrepresentation. Can AI-generated content be presented as original work, or should its origins be transparent? Bias. AI algorithms can inherit biases from the data they are trained on. How do we mitigate bias in AI-generated content derived from Creative Commons material? Ownership. Who owns the copyright to content created by AI using Creative Commons material? Addressing these ethical considerations is paramount to ensuring responsible and ethical use of AI and Creative Commons content in marketing. Section 7. Sourcing Creative Commons content, where to find the gems. Finding the right Creative Commons content for your marketing needs is easier than you might think. Numerous online platforms offer vast libraries of CC licensed material ready to be explored and utilized. Creative Commons Search. The official Creative Commons website provides a search engine that crawls various platforms, including Flickr, YouTube, and SoundCloud for CC licensed content. Flickr, a treasure trove of high-quality images, many licensed under Creative Commons, perfect for visual content marketing. YouTube, a vast repository of videos, many available under CC licenses, offering opportunities for video marketing and content repurposing. SoundCloud, a platform for audio content with many artists releasing their music under Creative Commons licenses, ideal for adding soundtracks to videos or presentations. The Internet Archive, a digital library of websites, multimedia and software with a dedicated section for Creative Commons licensed works. These are just a few starting points. Section 8. Attributing creators, giving credit where credit is due. One of the fundamental principles of using Creative Commons content is proper attribution. Always give credit to the original creator, even when using AI to modify or adapt their work. Here are some guidelines for attributing Creative Commons content. Each CC license specifies how attribution should be given. Follow the instructions carefully. Use the acronym TASL, Title Author Source License, as a reminder to include all necessary information. Whenever possible, link back to the original source of the content. Attribution should be clear, legible, and easily noticeable. Remember, proper attribution is not just an ethical obligation. It's a legal requirement when using Creative Commons material. Section 9. The imperative of transparency, disclosing AI involvement. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into content creation, transparency about its role is paramount. When using AI to generate or modify Creative Commons content, it's crucial to be upfront about its involvement. This can be achieved by clearly state that AI was used in the content creation process. Describe how the AI was used, whether for translation, image generation, or other modifications. AI is not perfect. Acknowledge that the AI-generated content may have limitations or inaccuracies. Encourage the audience to provide feedback on the AI-generated content. Transparency builds trust with the audience and promotes responsible use of AI in content marketing. Section 10. The future of content creation, a collaborative landscape. The combination of Creative Commons and AI is ushering in a new era of content creation, one defined by collaboration, innovation, and accessibility. This collaborative landscape empowers creators to share their work freely, knowing that others can build upon their ideas, while AI tools provide marketers with powerful ways to transform and repurpose this content, reaching wider audiences and achieving greater impact. As we move forward, it's crucial to embrace this collaborative spirit, fostering an environment where creativity can flourish and the benefits of open content and AI can be shared by all. Section 11. Conclusion: unleashing the power of openness and innovation. In conclusion, the convergence of Creative Commons and AI presents an unprecedented opportunity for content marketers. By understanding the nuances of CC licenses, leveraging the power of AI tools, and adhering to ethical guidelines, marketers can unlock a treasure trove of content, transforming it into engaging and impactful marketing material. The future of content creation lies in embracing openness, collaboration, and innovation. By harnessing the power of Creative Commons and AI, we can create a more vibrant, diverse, and accessible digital landscape for all.